every day, every day. Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into night, far away from the city. But don't, no, hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. Ooh, baby, I love you, babe, every day. I wanna tell you I love you, babe, every day. I wanna be with you night and day. Don't wanna push the shine and light the skies with your hand of some fireflies. I wonder have the power to shine, shine, shine. I can see them under the pine. But don't hesitate, la-di-da, 'cause your love just won't wait. Ooh, baby, I love you, babe, every day. I wanna tell you I love you, babe, every day. I wanna be with you night and day. Oh, baby, please. Yes, we are the R&B on the side street back there in San Nicolas. Oh, baby, I can see the sunset in your eyes, brown and gray and blue besides. Clouds are stalking islands in the sun. I wish I could power out of season. But no, hesitate, la-di-da, 'cause your love just won't wait, just won't wait. Ooh, baby, I love you, babe, every day. I wanna tell you I love you. I wanna tell you I will love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day, and every day and every way. Ooh, baby, I love you, babe, every day. I wanna tell you I love you. I wanna tell you I will love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day, and every day and every way. Ooh, baby, I love you, babe, every day. I wanna tell you I love you, babe, every day. I wanna be with you night and day. 'Cause I've been watching you, a la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Come on, a la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Hey, standing across the room, I saw you smile. Said I wanna talk to you for a little while. But before I make my move, my emotion starts running wild. My tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes. I'm looking in your big brown Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it, push it, push it some more. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Come on. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. So I say to myself, if she loves me or not. But I dread, I know that love is his to cut up. I want a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But the lyrics goes on Teddy all the time. My tongue gets tired, and that's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes, looking in your big brown eyes. So girl, now got this to say to you. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it, push it, push it some more. La 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 long, la 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 long, long. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry, I'm gonna push you some more. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it, push it, push it some more. La 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 la, la 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 la, long, 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 long. Hey. La 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 la, la 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 la, long, 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 long. Push it some more. La 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 la, la 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 la, long, 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 long. All right. La 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 la, la 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 la, long, 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 long. Push it some more. Misis ni Kwan ay madaling makuha. Bago maniwala, magsip-isip ka muna. Marami ang namamatay sa pinangala. Nung imusmus pa lamang ay takot sa mundo. Nung ako'y naging binata sa airport ng syota ko. Mayroon na pamilya, wala na tayong ituloy. Takot sa asawa ko. Di mo na kailangang mag-alinlangan kung tama ang gagawin mo. Basta huwag kalimutan magdahan-dahan kung di sigurado sa kalalabasan. Ng binabanat mo. limot at bahala kapag nabulag ka na. Mga kong makalat na kita na ang kaligtas ay madaling makuha. Bago maniwala, isip-isip ka muna, marami ang mamatay sa Manila.
palakpakan naman tayo. At data ito nakapinpintas ng resort. Marcos. Bernie. Bernie Marcos Resort. May samampay nga palakpak kada tayo amin, Apo. Lalo kada itay bisita. Datayo amin kat bisita ni Bernie ni Judith as she turns 50 this day. Kidating nga night, Apo, we will be enjoying up to the Wee of Dawn. Jak to amo kadati R&B and the Side Street Band if they wish to extend again. Di ba, Risa? This is the R&B and the Side Street Band. Together with the crew and company, palakpakan tayo man na lagi natin kasama sa lahat. Di ba? The band for all occasions. So before we getting started, guys, adupito Orion tayo nga bisita, but be sure to register your name out there. Yan DJ nakagugwapo, Ejay Sango, Adda Agilista Jai, iti numbers. So please register your names. Names gayam ti alaanda, and then be sure to keep that into no madamdama apo nakadado ti ipatid ni aside from cash prizes, ado digitay in sangput the Judith and ni Bernie nga itedda kada tayo. And of course, you can always request any song basta kaya ng R&B and the Side Street Band. And kung merong talented na bisita o kapamilya tonight, you can sing your heart out. Mabalin tayo nga umay kumanta itoy. I mean, mabalin tayo mga sukatan dito para turutot no nalalaing kayo ng isuda. But I believe eto na talaga yung pinakamagaling na grupo so far. Ayan. Di nga mean? And of course, sakbay ti amin Apo, before the performance, I would like to introduce myself. I will be hosting this kapamilya of ours ni Bernie is my batchmate during the college, and of course, kumarek ni Judith. Nga adat tayo pag ano ba? Ano? Yes, and of course, I want to introduce myself. They call me Ina D. Iti TV, iti Global Pinas TV, iti Adyo FM, iti DCRL, and a part of the CNN, mabuybuyadak ijay, saknokwa di jay, karoprupa ni Alan kay. So I will be providing, I will be anchoring, and I will be hosting deto'y 50th birthday celebration deto'y kumarek nga ni Judith. Palakpakan nyo naman ang host. Tila obrata dito tamangan agshot ken ang mang palakpak ti host. Because the more you clap your hands, the more I get to dish out prizes. Okay? Pati R&B, you are allowed to register your names, guys. Tapno mga bakayumat. Alin kay nga Rodan, inkay pay lang ag-register. May salatan, di ba pan mangi-register itinagan because you are now performing. So are we good? Ano ba bakla? Well, dito yung apo kat hangking agkam kamalihan da nga babae di gito yung kamay. May isa lang ti babae dito the original ni Risa Lacambra. Palakpakan tayo. But for the rest, padak di gito yung napanjay Thailand nagpa-sex change. O, di ba? Nagpintas. How? Climate change. Konana. And of course, the Marcoses have the best photographer in the person of Trisha. Okay, so, to brother dito, agpalakpak, dance the night away. This is not a prayer meeting. One, no palakpak, no kuna akasta, ay, di nga mean. But I want make you hungry, mga 30 minutes lang, a repertoire iti R&B and the Side Street Band together with that opening salvo as we welcome our birthday celebrator tonight. So may minsan man pa nga pasada, your first segment para kini Judith. Come on, guys. Before the grand entrance.
do it. You're gonna be the fire, gonna be the fire. You can boogie like disco, like a disco sound. Move all your body, spinning round and round. But don't forget, oh no. Don't forget, oh no. The stars are falling by, keep on turning in your mind. Like we can work it out. Remember, switch the shout. You stand and turn around and on and on.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you, honey. Oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This happens once before. When I came to your door, no reply. They said it wasn't true, but I saw you peek through your window. You know, if you break my heart, I go, but I'll be back again. 'Cause I told you once before goodbye, but I came back again. I said, girl, what she wanted to be. She said, baby, can't you see? I wanna be famous, the star of the screen, but you can do something in between. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car, and baby, I love you. Listen, you know not a secret. Do you promise not to tell? No, close up. Let me whisper in your ear. Say the words you love to hear. I'm in love with you. Dancing our way. Do I have to keep on talking till I can go on? Let's see it your way. When there is some knowing that our love is soon be gone. We can work it out. We can work it out. I should've known better in a girl like you, that I would love everything that you do, and I do. Hey, hey, hey. He's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere land. You're gonna lose that girl. You're gonna lose that girl. You're gonna lose. Yes, it's that girl. You're gonna lose. Yes, you're gonna lose that Keep on turning in your mind, and we can work it out. Remember, just a shot. We'll stay and turn around and roll it
Yes, that was the opening salvo of R&B and
this just keeps going strong. Head over heels, where should I go? Can't stop myself, out of control. Head over heels, no time to think. Looks like the whole world I don't see. Head over heels, where should I go? Can't stop myself, out of control. Head over heels, no time to think. Looks like the whole world I don't see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody wants you. Everybody wants your love. And I just want to make you mine, oh mine. Baby, na 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 na. Baby, give it up, baby, give it up. Na 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 na. Baby, give it up, baby, give it up. I give it up. Everybody sees you. Everybody looks and stares. And I just want to make you mine, oh mine. Come on, everybody. Baby, na 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 na. Baby, give it up, baby, give it up. Na 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 na. Baby, give it up, baby, give it up. Give it up. Yes, good evening, everyone, and we are B.R.B. in the Side Street Band. Gonna make a move at a time that's right for me. Time to get me moving, get me grooving with some energy. Well, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it. Well, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, ooh, yeah. Gonna move on. Gonna move on. Gonna move on. Won't you take me to Funky Town? Want to take me to Funky Town? Want to take me to Funky Town? Want to take me to Funky Town?
Yes, palakpakan naman na may konting hiyawan. Ayan. We just started the party and let's keep the ball rolling ko na gayam kinakabsat. Everything is under control. Di ba guys? And everything is very ready. We have the best photographer. We have the sisters and kapamilya all the way from Burgos. And the rest will be history tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, dito nga rabi, it's a loose party. Haan nga naka-formal, haan met nga naka street party. But this is one intimate evening. The intimate evening ko na you are chosen to join the 50th birthday celebration. Dati kumare tayo, your tita, your pinsan, your kaanakan, or even your apo, isuna ni Maring Judith. Palakpakan naman natin siya, guys, as we welcome with the loudest and the fiercest. Diba, Risa? Yung pinaka talaga for a 50th birthday celebrant. So, awisan kayo man amin apo nga tumakder, tila obra tayo, agpalakpak, ti agsasarunong nga nakapigpigsa as we welcome our debutant as she turns 18. Lahat tayo ay feeling 18. And of course, R&B and the Side Street Band providing the rawest and the best entertainment tonight. Let's go R&B. Isabot mo. And of course, joining her, agpalapak tayo ay apo as we get to meet our debutant, Maring Judith, turning 18. Ayan, with the family. Dito kayong lahat. I would like para to sa harap. Yes, thank you so much, R&B. Medyo mga 5 minutes for the photo opportunity. Let there be a music coming from the technical department while you take a rest. Nagbongga DJ. Nagbongga DJ. Opening remarks, no? Okay lang. Bumawi kayo later. Mabaling tayo ni Ititumugaw, Apo. As we get to have the photo opportunity muna, may we have all Marcoses. Mga siblings, including Amy Marcos na da. Or President Ferdinand Marcos na dapay. Of course. Digiti kabagyan ni Bernie Pailang. Bernie side, mabalin, for the photo opportunity. Digitay kabagyan ni Iti Marcos, dita Apo, please stand. Gawin na natin to para tuloy-tuloy na yung entertainment provided by R&B. And of course, tila masaukit ang rabii, Navara. Navara. Come on, come on. Princess. Ay, dakat tayong. And right after the immediates of Bernie, Nalpas City, Marcos as Apo, of course, the immediates of Maring Judith. May we please get ready, R&B, for the pada-padakam nga siraragsak. Then off we go with the immediates of Maring Judith, mga kapatid ni Mars. Let's go. Immediate family. Sisters ni Maring Judith. Awan. Mami. Yes, mga pinsan. Dito immediate family. Kakabsat na, auntie na, lola na, kaanakan na. Dito nga banda nga, Rod. Ay, kasladot kaanakan. Later na yung kaanakan. Kasla na divide nga talaga dito dito nga banda senior citizens. Ito nga banda ka millennials, di ba? Oh, di ba? Nung kasla na naupubing mo tila nga dito dayang ditoy. Eme, di ba Mars? Apin napipintas kay ita. Ken into no bigat. Dito nakatoka, diti sabsabong, diti balangat nga nakaururnos. May we all please get ready? Okay, happy moment. Kasla kakapsut diti technical department kasi kasapulan lang sa iti Agua de Pataranta. Very 1994 man dito ipatpatukar nan 21. Kabats. What? Diba? Naragsak lang. Naragsak lang a party. Uri Marcoses digito Marcoses nga hanune na stricto. Nga magpepeso. Aldahan daw mati kanya. Oh yeah. Next group, millennials. Let's go. Kaan-nakans. Mga pamangkin. Pamangkin, diretso na. Hindi ba Mars? The goodness. Yan ang pinakabongga. Sang-sangput mo, dimeretso ka agad. Kasi ang tagal ng mga millennials. Let's go, millennials. Because if we are going to do this, nang napakatagal guys, sayang naman ang ating R&B. Kasi R&B, they will be giving 30 minutes nga Frida, di ba? You started 6 o'clock, so nga malpas kay tutuno 10. 6:30 nag-start. Okay? Kadkadwa talatari sa may panggaptitin na man. And of course, right after the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, and that is the Pada Pada Kam, mabalintay ito nga i-reward, kita cocktails tayo. So, catering services headed by Chef Andres. Please provide shot glasses and a lot of ice para kada tayo amin, and especially para kidatoy para turutot. Kasi hanaamot ag turutot, nohaan nga medyo nakashot. So, wish granted at bigyan siya ng matinding pulutan. Anak ko party dati mayanhaan nga kwa. Alive, 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 alive forevermore. Mayat. Talaga nga nagpintas. Napintas dati pinag-jive dati ko ati inataya. Kasla mayat dati imuna yung panag-dinner. Alerto. Naka-al-alerto ti R&B ita. Yes, get ready. Sino pa? Mga kapitbahay. Dati man grupo ni Mami Pedro. And the Montes, yan dati nga grupo. Our friends all the way from Ruot, Sulciano, Saludares. Let's go. Come on. And for those who just got in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, yes. Get ready. Batch ni Mami Judith. Yan na dito ka, batch mi ni Mang Judith. Batchmates. Let's go, batchmates. Dakay ka digidi ka, batch mi. Kasi dakay timestrak idiam. Agkakabatch tayo ganyan, Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit talaga. You need to thank your makeup. Ang ganda-ganda. It was Masi, right? Ay, perfect. Ay na, picture tangkat. Amom, ti amin. At wala tamars. Batchmates. Hello. Batchmates. Sabi ko nga kanina, kung sino yung nakatoka for the Balangat and the flowers, get ready. Dati grupo ni Mami Pedro, come on. Dati nga grupo apo, api nagdagsan ti sa kayo. Go na. Ayan yon. Ayan. Okay, medyo nasipnget lang dito apo. But we are being illuminated kaya ito yung stage. Sila please bear with us. Medyo nasipnget lang dito. Okay, paging. Our electrician. Thank you very much. Batch 2011. High school. O diba? Nakaubing kayo? Sino pa? Yes, and of course, di kita sang-sangput na po, please feel free to register your names kasi right after the singing of the birthday song, Mang Tudak, iti duwa nga 25 kilos nga bagas. Di ba? Para to share the blessing. Meron. Ano? Ay, hindi ba? Ilan? 5 kilos. O, di nga mean? Nagpa-register na rin lahat, di ba? Naka-register tayo aminan. Then, I think we have concluded the massive photo opportunity. So, I believe we are ready to sing the Pada-Pada Kam nga siraragsak, Risa. Yes. Oh, wait lang. Please, Chef Ian Andres, nasa na po yung pada-pada. Mabalin nga may sapay laang nga medley, Risa. Then off we go with the pada-pada kam. Okay? While we are preparing for the paraphernalias, awan nga mindetay, balangat. Ah? Nakakaloka. Okay, take a rest, R&B. Okay. Prior to the singing of the Pada Pada Kam Nga Siraragsak, check your names or numbers. Numbers ba? Numbers ba yung sinulat? Names? Okay, get ready. Letter B, accompaniment, technical department. Okay. The name of the first recipient, iti. Okay, ibigay na natin yung bigas. Bigas. Okay. Check your names. The winner, Lydia Banyaga. Awan? Okay. Okay, 5. At the count of 5, we don't have all night. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Halika dito, Mami Lydia. Award ni Maring Judith. O, dyan ka. Kasi naglalawak dito, debutant party with Wawawin and Eat Bulaga. Nagbalin nga Eat Bulaga kasi dito host yun, karurupa ka ni Alan K. My God! Totoo ba? Sana all mananalo ngayong gabi. And of course, you are also a winner, Saldi Saklayan. Halika dito, Saldi Saklayan. You just won for yourself bigas. Ang bigas ay mahalaga. Huwag mag-aksaya. Bilangan ka, Saldi Saklayan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awan, ti Saldi Saklayan. Wala na siya? Okay, it's forfeited. I'm sorry. Okay, another name. Pakitingnan. Magtatay lang iti dua apo. Sakbay, iti panagkanta. Donna. Donna? R&B. Sino Donna? Donna or, kinaman dati, Becky? Becky, tingnan mo nga ito. Nagpintas di ba bakla? Nagpintas di pa operada, Thailand nga talaga. Roel? Romel! Sino Romel? Ay, teka lakayan da. Okay, may katoy. 68 years old. R&B. O, picturean niya. Apa hindi mo yung bagang lalakay kayon. May salangan. Before we get to sing, Pada Pada Kam Nga Siraragsak, and you are a winner, Jobelin Salenda. Jobelin Salenda, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, picture ka dyan. So everybody gets to win. We have a chance to win anything. Already kita, adati apo, the major prizes will be basta, digiti inquire ni Bernie and the family of Judith. So we are now ready for the singing of the traditional birthday song. Off we go, R&B and the Side Street Band. Gagayem ken kakabsat, mabalin nga tumakder tayo, aglalo ka digitay na bunungan, iti roses, as we get to sing in unison, Pada Pada Kam Nga Siraragsak ng Bonggang Bongga by R&B and the Side Street Band.
Pada Pada Kam Nga Siraragsak ng Mangipatuyak
everyone, as Judith turns 50, this is very impromptu, awanti programa dati Apo, but we made it a point to have a simple one but memorable. So itata, mabibigla siya because messages will now come immediately. So, sakbay nga agawid kayo into no madamdama, you'll get to hear the message of thankfulness coming from her. Pakinggan na natin. Para dito sila, gaputa dadapay la amin, they'll get to hear your message and your thankfulness kadagiti amin nga imay. And Risa, please get ready with the thankful song to serve as our opening prayer and the grace before meals. Awanti umay ag prayer Apo, it will be sung by RNB. So get ready. Catering services, your message, take this.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, RNB. My family and friends, thank you very much. Let's enjoy the night.
Thank you so much. Short but very memorable. Palakpakan natin. Dati auntie tayo, dati cousin tayo, our kabsat or even lola. May lola na ba? Haan mo pa'y, di ba? Risa, together with your group, may we now sing the song of praise to serve as our Kickstarter para kidetoy dinner tayo. May you please get ready, Chef Cesar Andres. In a minute or two, we will now have the early dinner. Thank you so much. Off we go, RNB.
Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man, you were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all truths, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth, there's no way to measure what you're worth. Crucified, laid behind a stone, you leave the time, rejected and alone like a rose, trampled on the ground. You took the fall and thought of me above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man, you were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all truths, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth, there's no way to measure what you're worth. Crucified, laid behind a stone, you leave laid behind a stone. You live to die, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall and taught me above all, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall and taught me above all.
Yes, thank you so much, R&B, for that praise song. As we kickstart our dinner tonight, may we have a transition from praise song to a lighter mode naman tayo. And upbeat song lang while we are enjoying our dinner. In random, apo, ito pinangamag ko ti tables. Let there be the millennials umuna nga mapanagpilad sa ayan, apo. R&B, take it away. And of course, sumarunod ito grupo da Ma'am Pedro. Music, please. At syempre, ito yung long table, apo. You are now ready to partake with the most delicious dinner for Judith. At syempre, si Ate Judith, pwede ka nang maki-join. Mabalin nga, bumaba ka ditan mane. As you get to have your photo opportunity per table. And meron kang change costume later on.
No, baby, come on. Claim that you love your
Uy, tasang sa kapulo, apo, ang inanos tayo mga panag. Kiwi.
You brought nothing real. Come on, be a man about it. You won't die. I've got nothing to cry, and I can't take this no more. You know I gotta let it go. And you know I'm on love, set me free. Let me out this misery. Show me the way to get my life again. 'Cause you can handle me. Said I'm on love, can't you see? Baby, you gotta set me free. Let me get over you, yeah.
Okay, the next table will be table nga detoy and table nga datang tumakda tayo amin ako.